With the central section of World Premiere Plaza now open, a fresh wave of magic is beginning to bloom. Guests stepping into the area are now greeted by vibrant flowers circling the iconic Mickey planter, bringing new life and color to the heart of the plaza. It's a subtle but joyful sign that the transformation is shifting gears, from construction to creation. Nearby, at Terrace Perrier, tall yucca trees have been carefully planted, adding a modern sun-kissed flair that ties in perfectly with the area's evolving aesthetic. These landscape touches not only soften the space but also hint at the immersive storytelling still to come. As pathways open and greenery grows, the plaza is beginning to feel less like a project and more like a place, one where the magic of movies and the spirit of Disney can finally take center stage. Tucked away behind glass, in a quiet corner of Disneyland Paris, something extraordinary is on display. A maquette, small in scale but grand in vision. It's a glimpse into the future of the resort's most anticipated transformation, the creation of Adventure World. Guests leaning in to study the model find themselves drawn into a miniature landscape teeming with detail. Towering mountains, lush jungle trails, and mysterious waterways hint at the stories waiting to be told. At the center, a shimmering lake reflects the dream of a new horizon, surrounded by what will one day be vibrant lands filled with exploration, discovery, and heart-pounding adventure. The maquette isn't just a model, it's a promise. A sneak peek into a world where Disney Imagineering meets raw imagination and where the magic of nature, fantasy, and storytelling collide. Fans linger, pointing out familiar elements and speculating about new ones, their eyes full of wonder and excitement. It stands there quietly, but it speaks volumes. The future of Disneyland Paris is coming, and it's wilder, more immersive, and more adventurous than ever before.